One person has died after contracting melioidosis in the wake of the North Queensland floods. The death occurred a few days ago, but health authorities are urging anyone with medical conditions to be careful during this cleanup.
Across the north and northwest, the scale of the devastation is gut-wrenching. But beneath the contaminated water and soil lurks another potential killer.
The wetter the season, the more cases we see.
Melioidosis occurs each wet season, but authorities say this year it's worse. One person has now died, 10 more diagnosed.
We are expecting more. It's likely, given that we've had 10 so far, the period of risk is over the next few weeks.
Melioidosis is a soil-based bacteria. It usually occurs in people who are vulnerable, often with chronic disease or impaired immune systems. Health authorities are warning people with a health condition to leave the clean-up to others. Disease is also a potential problem out west as graziers come to grips with the carcasses of cattle.
To minimise exposure to the bodily fluids, because there are bacterial sources there that potentially could pose a problem.
Biosecurity Queensland wants mass burials, a logistical nightmare.
Many of these farmers, many of these regions have never experienced this before, so it is difficult times.
Businesses are picking up the pieces in Townsville as the nitpicking over insurance language begins.
It's only now when the insurance assessors come out that they've said that my storm cover will only cover me if the waters come into the place from the top down, not from the bottom up.
9 pharmacies and doctor practices remain closed in Townsville from the floods.
Being a community pharmacy, it's in our DNA to look after people. That is what we do.
The fallout far from over. Sophie Wainwright, ABC News, Townsville.